World-renowned artist H.J. Nix celebrates nature with natural solid timber doors. Art Factory's many species of timber comes from the American Northwest and is natural air dried for many years in the desert Southwest. Master crafting hand-carved doors using old world techniques, guaranteeing products that will stand the test of time. There is no substitute for direct fine art investment quality master hand carving to world-class standards. Master hand carving is the process of direct carving by one master's hand only, not gang carving or machine CNC fast process etching.